Today we're taking a look at part number 12-15k EB-LSA. This is your 12,000 pound through 15,000 pound electric brake assembly, 12 1/4 by 5 inches wide. It works with Dexter axles, Lippert axles, and Carter axles. This is the most standard brake assembly you're going to find out there on the market, with the standard 7-bolt mounting flange on it. You'll know you have a Dexter or Carter or Lippert axle by the 7 bolts. The Rockwell American has a 5-bolt flange on it. This brake assembly will work with the 12,000 pound axles and the 15,000 pound axles. So they both use the same brake, okay? The Carter brand, which we're looking at right now, it actually comes with the backing plate, so that's a plus. Some brands don't offer the backing plate. They make you buy it separate, which God only knows why. We have great prices on them. That's what our motto is. We try to save everybody money, and it's really easy just to take your old brakes off and put the new one on instead of replacing all the pieces. You can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas. Thank you.